Hello everyone. Again I am back with the half part of the genetics. Half part I have dealt in my previous video and half part I am going to deal now. Okay, let us start. In case of codominance, F1 generation resemble with both parents AB blood group in human beings. In 1900, three scientists independently discovered Mendel's result on the inheritance of character. Okay, and these two scientists noted that the behavior of chromosome is parallel to gene and chromosomal theory of inheritance. Morgan coined the term linkage to describe physical association of gene on a chromosome and the term recombination to describe the generation of non-parental gene combination. Okay, these scientists use the to measure the distance between the gene and help in genetic mapping. Phenotypic ratio in Mendel hybrid is 9.9:3:3:1 and this polygenic trait. Okay, you should know that the written with red color every point, that is very important point, please remember that all point. And here gene which control multiple expression. Phenotypic is the pleiotropic gene causing phenylketonuria. Here sex chromosome, allosome, autosome. X chromosome means grasshopper in example of exotype sex determination in which male have X chromosome beside autosome whereas female have a pair of X chromosome. Here in male include man, XY type sex determination is seen where both male and female have same number of chromosome. This male heterogamety and female heterogamety. In birds, female have ZY sex chromosome and male have XX sex chromosome. Honeybee sex determination is based on number of set of chromosome and individual recessive. In honeybee, female are diploid having 32 chromosome and male are haploid having 16 chromosome. This is called haplodiploid sex determination system. The mutation arising due to change in a single base pair of DNA is known as point mutation. Okay, this mutation and pedigree analysis. Pedigree is very important in this chapter. They have pedigree analysis. The symbol I have written all symbol of pedigree. Please remember this all system. Then you can make the question of genetics. Sickle cell anemia, thalassemia, phenylketonuria are example of autosomal recessive trait. Myotonic dystrophy, hemophilia, color blindness, sickle cell anemia is glutamic acid bivalent at 6th position of the beta globin chain of hemoglobin, and tyrosine is the very important chapter. And linked gene in thalassemia is HbA1, HbA2. Okay, failure of segregation of chromatid during cell division cycle result in gain or loss of chromosome called NU. Here the polyploidy, there is increase in a whole set of chromosome in an organism. Down syndrome, Klinefelter and Turner is very important. Please remember all the topics which I have dealt in the genetics because I have noted only important points of the genetics with related to NEET exam. Okay, thank you, bye bye.